Mĩeri kuma thirikari ya Amerika yekĩrĩra mũkaana raiya ayo kwaga gũcera kaunti-ini ya Kisumu. Rĩu barothi mwerũ wa Amerika gũkũ bururi-ini Margaret Whitman nĩacerete kaunti-ini ĩno, rĩrĩa rĩrita rĩa mbere kũrĩa anyitirwo ũgeni nĩ gavana Anyang' Nyong'o. Akiaria hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ, Whitman nĩateteire ikinya rĩa bũrũri wake rĩgiĩ mũkaana ũyũ, akiuga kũringana na watho ũbarothi wa Amerika gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ũrĩ na wĩigĩrĩrĩki wa kũgitĩra raiya ake.
Whenever there is any concern, it is actually a law of the United States of America that we must alert American citizens and embassy personnel. So it was not targeted specifically to Kisumu, other than the fact that this is our largest place in all of Kenya besides Nairobi, where we have US citizens and employees.
Whitman nĩongereire kuuga atĩ mũkaana ũyũ ndwakuruhanĩte na maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano kĩnene gĩa tarĩki 9 mweri ũyũ.
We had no data, no data that you didn't have about Kisumu. It was a very in the course of normal business that we would issue an alert like that. It is true, one of the reasons I wanted to come to Kisumu is I wanted to, first I wanted to see the governor again, but I also wanted to show that this is an area that is very important to the United States, very important to our endeavors in Kenya.
Mwena-inĩ wake, gavana Anyang' Nyong'o nĩacokeirie ngatho Whitman nĩ gwĩkinyia kaunti-inĩ ĩno, akiuga nĩ kĩonereria thayũ na ũgitĩri nĩ mũgacĩrithie.
You know, sometimes such incidences also have their silver side or golden side, in that it put us into attention globally. And her coming here today is another attention globally, yeah. Which means more people will come after she departs.
I can't guarantee that there will never be other alerts because it is required by US law. So when there's any concerns at all, we must issue alerts. But it's never targeted towards one particular group or area. It's because this is where we have the vast majority of our citizens and outside of Nairobi.
Ciĩgiĩ ndũgamano ya ũheani wa visa kũrĩ Akenya, Whitman nĩacũngĩte mũhera na kuga nĩmambĩkĩte mĩtaratara ya gũtigĩrĩra nĩmona kĩhonia.
The reason we face this situation is largely due to COVID. What happened in COVID is visa applications naturally went down, and staff also left to different jobs because there was not the visa applications that needed to be processed. It's unacceptable for university students, for people trying to attend medical and health conferences around the world. We will do better, and it is one of my top priorities to reduce the backlog as soon as possible.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, Jita Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.